Hey everybody, it's Tiffany and Arlen, the patio gardeners. And Tiffany, it rained quite a lot last night, didn't it?
Oh, yeah.
This is our backyard. We're on the back deck right now, looking down, and it is just completely flooded. We are not the only neighbors who have some of this problem. A neighbor on either side has some wetness, but boy, we seem to have the worst in this area. Tiffany, any theories on why this is happening?
Well, I mean, it rained the previous day and the night before yesterday, so the ground was already saturated, and then we had flash flood warnings and huge thunderstorms last night, so it was a large amount of water that fell in a very short amount of time. And it is compacted a little bit by the fact that we have dense clay soil back here, so it does not drain as well as other soil types.
Yeah, we're thinking, our soil here is clay, and it may not be porous enough. It may be really compacted, so it just takes a while for water to drain. So if anybody has any ideas on how we might be able to solve this drainage problem, we'd love to hear in the comments. We are also kind of in a low point. Our yard is maybe a little lower down than some of our neighbors' yards. But any bright ideas, we'd love to hear them. Let us know if you're dealing with any flooding. Look at that little bird there in the center on the hose. Oh, gone now.
You don't need the sprinkler now.
Looks like we won't need the sprinkler today. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.